So now we have marked all these parts 8 inches. Let me remind you, and make sure you calculate this very well. It's exactly 8 inches, because any small mistake you make can affect the shape of the frame. So this frame making is something that it works with calculation. Like any small mistake can affect the overall shape of the frame. So you make sure after you have marked this our first steps, you mark here 8 inches. You come from this part to this part 12 inches. You mark another 8 inches, and the last from this part to this part 12 inches. Yes, then what we want to do in the next part is we'll turn this um trunking pipe and measure the same thing. Here is 8, here will be 8, followed by 12, followed by 8, and followed by 12 again. So you just turn it and measure it. I'll just do it so fast, so that because you already understand how to put your ruler, so I don't need to explain anymore. So I'll just put this one here. Put it. You make sure you are putting. Make sure your ruler is not shaking. Your ruler is not shaking. You put it. Then you mark it. Mark it. You bring it. You make it long. Then from this same line, you mark an 12, 8 and 12. You mark 8 after the 12. Then lastly, mark 12. Yes, so now we have marked it front and back. Yes, so look at it now. So we mark 8 here, then we mark 8 here. So normally I start with this part. I'll just mark this side first, then I'll turn and mark it. Make sure it's same measurement. If you are measuring 8 here, if you are turning it here, should be 8, so that when you are cutting it, you do not have any problem. So the next thing, what we want to do now is to cut these things so that we'll be able to bend them to the shape of the frame. That's what we'll be doing next. Okay, now, so what you do, you need a scissors that you'll be able to cut this PVC pipe to form your frame. So now what we are doing now, we will not cut it. Don't just watch me how I do it. So you place your scissors at the line that you drew. You place it, then you cut it. You make sure it didn't enter this upper part. It's just only this part. Make sure like this your scissors do not cut this upper part. It's just only this part that you marked. Then you do the same thing for this part too. You cut it. So but let's just cut only this part so that you see me. I've cut this side, then this part, we'll cut this side too. So cut it. Yes, correct. Come here, do the same thing. And the last part, yes. So now I've cut all these parts, then we'll turn it and cut all this side. So normally I'll just change the normally this PVC is facing this place. Abi, yes, it's facing this place now. So I want to turn it so that I'll be able to cut the other side. Like, turn it like this. So now, this is it. You see this side now. So I'll cut it using the scissors. You see now, you can bend it now. So I've cut it. You make sure you don't cut this side. Then you go ahead and cut the other measurement. Cut this one too. And this last part. Yes. So this is the last one. So I can just cut everything from this last part. Yes. I think you see me how I cut it. So you'll be doing your own little by little. Don't try to be fast. Since you're doing it for the first time, it'll be little bit hard. So just do it little by little, and you always have the result I have if you do it little by little. So now the next thing, what we'll be doing next is arranging the frames.